The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has evolved from the original Fold in 2019, showing significant progress. While upgrades since the Z Fold 2 have been incremental, Samsung faces more competition in 2023 with the Google Pixel Fold, Honor Magic, and upcoming OnePlus Open. Despite this, the Z Fold 5 remains the current champion in folding phones due to its subtle refinements and leading position in the category. If you're familiar with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series 2, 3, or 4, the Z Fold 5's design will be recognizable. It features a polished frame, matte glass back, and a tall body with a narrow cover screen and a large inner display. The phone is well built and securely locks into place when unfolded, unlike some competitors. The hinge is a standout feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, addressing some of its drawbacks. Despite being thicker and heavier than the Huawei Mate X3 and Google Pixel Fold, the Z Fold 5's hinge provides secure positioning during opening and closing. This year's improvement is the nearly closed hinge gap, adopting a water drop design instead of a wedge shape seen in previous foldables. While not fully sealed from dust, Samsung has reintroduced the IPX8 water resistance rating from the Z Fold 3 and added Gorilla Glass Victus, 2 on the front and back, enhancing durability compared to some competitors. Despite its 13.4mm closed thickness, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers a narrower design for comfortable gripping. Its front surface is smaller than larger phones like the iPhone 14 Plus or Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so size concerns are minimized. Similar in height to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, it remains usable, especially with one-handed mode. The USB-C port charges the phone with speaker grills on the cover screen sides. The right side features a fingerprint scanner / power button and volume rocker, while the left houses the dual SIM card tray. I tried the icy blue variant, which boasts a sleek matte finish that resists fingerprints well. The polished frame in the same color complements the texture. The Z Fold 5 also comes in cream and phantom black with additional choices on Samsung's online store. The Z Fold 4 features a 6.2-inch cover screen with a tall 23.1:9 aspect ratio, 904x2316 resolution. The inner display measures 7.6 inches with 1812x2176 resolution. Both screens use Dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, offering 120Hz refresh rates, HDR10 Plus support, and sharp visuals at over 370 pixels per inch. From lab tests to real-world usage, the screens perform exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, providing brilliant brightness outdoors and comfortable dimness for night reading. Using an S Pen with the Fold 5 requires a separate stylus and a dedicated case, limiting its use to the main display. The notable crease line on the big screen can cause slight disruptions when writing or drawing. Despite these drawbacks, the S Pen adds versatility, particularly when combined with apps like Concepts or Samsung Notes. While Samsung's AMOLED technology is generally excellent, the Z Fold 5's displays have room for improvement. The cover screen's narrowness is a common complaint, affecting two-handed typing comfort. The under-display selfie camera on the main screen creates a visible Moira circle, due to chunky pixels. The crease in the main screen is subtle with light colors, but noticeable with glare during dark scenes, slightly disrupting immersion. These issues are manageable, though the Oppo Find M2 offers a less prominent crease in China, and the Huawei Mate X3 excels in design and screen quality, but lacks Google services and is quite expensive. Equipped with the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, the Z Fold 5 matches the power of the flagship Galaxy S23 series. Its performance shines in gaming, multitasking, and 4K video editing. Enhanced heat management ensures smooth experiences, unlike the Google Pixel Fold, which faced overheating during initial testing. The Z Fold 5 stands out as a gaming leader due to its effective speakers, suitable screen orientation for services like PS Remote Play, and compatibility with popular controllers. Its flat, responsive display distinguishes it from the Honor Magic and Pixel Fold, and with Google Play Store access, its gaming library surpasses that of the Huawei Mate X3. Samsung excels in creating a foldable optimized interface. Running Android 13 with One UI 5.11, the cover screen appears like any other Samsung phone at first glance. However, when opened, the Z Fold 5 showcases its multitasking prowess. A taskbar at the bottom provides easy access to favorite and recent apps, allowing for quick split-screen multitasking or creating pop-up floating windows. These can be docked on the side of the screen for seamless app switching. The Z Fold 5 handles up to 5 floating windows on top of 3 split-screen apps, enabling interaction with a total of 8 apps simultaneously. Even the Pixel Fold can't match this level of multitasking capability. Samsung's DeX desktop interface is also included, providing a Windows-like experience when connected to an external screen through HDMI to USB-C or wireless projection. With a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, the Z Fold 5 transforms into a versatile work tool for easier document editing and expansive web browsing. Samsung leads in maximizing the part-folded experience. When slightly folded during video playback, the content shifts to the top half of the main screen, or you can manually adjust it. Despite a 4,400 mAh battery, Smaller than most flagship phones, the Z Fold 5 easily lasts a day, thanks to its smaller front screen being used most of the time. Main display usage drains the battery faster, especially at high brightness. Charging happens at 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless, with a 140-watt PD 3.1 charger achieving 20% in 10 minutes, 56% in 30 minutes, and a full charge in around 80 minutes. A power brick isn't included, requiring a separate purchase if needed. The Z Fold 5's cameras offer the same specs as the Z Fold 4, including a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera with OIS, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. There are two selfie cameras, a 4MP under-display camera inside, and a 10-megapixel camera on the cover screen. The Z Fold 5's photos embrace Samsung's signature vibrant style, suited for fans of punchy colors and contrast-heavy shots. However, the camera system isn't class-leading, with the Pixel Fold outperforming in zoom and photo quality due to better optical reach and natural processing. With Samsung's camera, RAW app, and manual photography, you can achieve impressive results. Video quality is impressive, offering up to 8K 24 FPS or 4K 60 fps recording. Selfies are better on the cover screen using the primary 50-megapixel camera, as the under-display camera lacks detail, especially in low light. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a refined upgrade over the Z Fold 4, and stands out compared to its Western competitors like the Pixel Fold and Honor Magic. It's the sole foldable with stylus input, sold separately. While no book-style foldable is perfect, the Z Fold 5 is the closest. With a solid build, vibrant screens, strong performance, capable interface, and all-day battery life, it remains a top choice for those interested in foldable phones. However, as competition intensifies, Samsung will need more than incremental updates for the Z Fold 6 in 2024. While the Z Fold 5 is the current leader, the evolving foldable phone market promises an interesting future. If you're eager, the Z Fold 5 is a great purchase. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.